Hi, this is Ed Duclos, Tech Content Coach, South Windsor School District, and we're continuing with Equatio, the tool for math and science. So let's go ahead and take a look. So far, we've seen how to upload the app, the extension. We've also taken a look at settings and the equation editor. So let's get to the next. This is the one I don't know a heck of a lot about all of these, but LaTeX editor, I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. So if you go ahead and you click on your extension, it's going to give you that box again, and this time we're going to not click on the equation editor, which we just got finished seeing. We're going to take a look at LaTeX. So here, if I understand this correctly, I put in some more sophisticated, I guess, language, symbols, etc. And then on the other side will come the math that I want. So I got this from somewhere. Actually, first of all, everything that I'm doing here I got from Eric Kurtz. He is a blogger. He's a tech specialist out of Ohio, and he's just absolutely amazing. So I just want to give him full credit for this and so much more that I do. But anyway, let me just go ahead and put something in fairly quick here. So I'm typing on one side, and it should be translating it on the other side. I'm painfully slow, just have to pause. Give me a minute here. I don't even know where some of these characters are. 2 plus 5x, and we end with that, and we begin again, and then we go 2x minus 3, and we close it. Yes, pretty close. Okay, I could have added a couple more things, but that's not bad. It looks like math, and then we're going to come over here, and we're going to insert it. And like we've been looking in before, hold it, so I can get out of this right now, close it, and then I can expand. I can manipulate this any way that I want, move it to the middle, anything along those lines. Okay, so that's LaTeX. I'm sure the math and science teachers that are viewing this will see a lot more possibilities here, which is definitely my hope with these videos, is just to get you started and then let you experiment, then you can come back and teach me. The other tool that we have, another one of the tools that we have here, is the handwriting recognition. Again, let's go ahead and get into our toolbar, and right down the bottom you're going to see the handwriting. The problem with this is I'm not on my Chromebook, so I don't have the touch screen, but let me just do something. Actually, first I've got to clear this out because it's got stuff already there. So I'm going to go here, and it should be able to translate my handwriting, even though it's going to be pretty bad. Obviously, I'm using a mouse, and it'd be so much more efficient if I were just using my finger, but you'll get the idea. Now, if at any point I make a mistake, like let's say this comes and they think that's a Y or a 1, I can undo just that particular one right there. I don't have to lose everything. So I'm just doing an X minus 12. And then again, once it's all set, I take a look on the other side. Is that the math I want? And then I insert. And once I come over here and I insert, I close this, take a look at it. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay, we'll move down, take a look at some of the other things that we have, getting through just the stuff they have for Google Docs. I like this one a lot. Let's see, we'll move that over to the side. Again, let's get the toolbar down here. Let's delete everything, trash it from over here, and let's use voice recognition. So speech input. So at this point, I've got the red dot up here. The first time that you do it, you may have a little warning that comes up here and saying, do you want to allow the microphone? And you say yes. And then you go ahead and you just start talking. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. And then I can come over here and I can pause it, see if it got exactly what I wanted, and it did. And then again, you know how this works. I can go ahead and I can insert it, and you can see got right where I wanted. Keep everything up, and we'll get down to the last one. Actually, the last one is with the symbols, so let me get out of this here. The symbols, if you've been noticing over here, I didn't want to do that. Let's go ahead and come down here with the symbols. First of all, you're going to get all these symbols. Okay, there's a ton in there, so where you access those from is right here. I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor, get it over to the side. I'm going to click on toolbar, and right down in here you can see a lot of the symbols and stuff will pop up. So those 4 screens that I just showed right there, 4 tables, all the possibilities, and then you go ahead and you move them around any way that you like. I think that's everything I want to show you at this point. I do want to make you aware of one thing. We've just been working with Google Docs. Google Forms also has Equatio toolbar throughout, and I'll get another video up and showing you how that works. Hope this has been helpful. Let me know how I can help you with anything. Have yourself a great day.